University Technology Mara, UiTM, course registration is handled through an online platform known as the iStudent portal. This system allows students to register for courses at the beginning of each semester. Students are given a list of subjects based on the academic program and semester. They can view available groups, check schedules, and select their preferred group. However, each group has a limited quota, and during peak registration periods, this system often slows down or crashes due to heavy traffic. Students also need to refresh the page repeatedly to check for available slots, which causes stress and delays. Now, these challenges highlight the need to evaluate this process more critically using the HINGE approach, starting with horizon scanning, followed by internal audit, new model generation, and gap analysis. Hello, my name is Alvina Laus Nadampa.
Hello, my name is Nur Shasha Izira.
My name is Binti Rina Anak Buyang.
My name is Nur Damia Erdina binti Roslani.
Hello everyone, my name is Rena Senia Anna Wisman.
My name is Nur Asha binti Jafri.
Currently, students at UiTM use the iStudent course registration system to register for their subjects each semester. Through the system, they can check available courses, register for core, elective, and repeat subjects, track credit hours, and make changes to their schedules. On the administrative side, it supports coordinators and departments in planning and managing course registrations more efficiently. However, students must follow the set registration dates carefully to avoid delays in their academic progress. As UiTM moves forward with Industry 4.0 and digital education, several upgrades to the iStudent system are being considered. First, developing a mobile-friendly version of dedicated app would provide real-time access to course info and alerts, making it more user-friendly. Lastly, real-time data analytics would allow faculties to monitor registration trends and adjust class sizes or schedules more effectively. These improvements aim to enhance the student experience and support smarter academic planning. Rationale of this work process is to analyze the iStudent course registration system because it directly impacts every student at UiTM, across all campus and programs, also faculties. Course registration is a crucial process that shapes a student's academic path each semester. Since it is used by all the students, it is both universal and essential. These are also important reasons behind the selection. Operationally, it supports UiTM's digital transformation efforts, and in terms of severity, any registration mistakes can delay graduation, affect financial aid, or hurt academic performance. By studying this system, we aim to evaluate its current efficiency and suggest improvements that can enhance the overall student experience. The iStudent course registration system serves several important purposes at UiTM, institutionally, operationally, and strategically. First, it improves the efficiency of course planning by managing enrollment and helping staff organize timetables and lecture slots effectively. Secondly, the system provides real-time data for lecturers and administrators, allowing them to monitor course demand and adjust class size as needed. Fourth, it reduces the administrative burden on staff by automating previously manual processes, minimizing errors. And finally, it supports digital governance and auditing, as every action is recorded and traceable, ensuring compliance with university policies.
For this part is about UiTM course registration system internal audit. Firstly, system or work process in place. The platform used by UiTM for course registration is iStudent portal. To register for the course, the first thing students need to do is log in into the iStudent portal during the course registration period. Next, select and register for available course. Then, student can submit the registration and save the slip for record. Moving to the next part is about skill set available. The successful operation of the iStudent course registration system relies on various departments and related parties. For example, IT department. They provide technical expertise through system administrator and developers who maintain the system stability, security, and performance. Other than that, academic staff. They are responsible for updating course offering, schedule, and lecture assignment within the system. Lastly, student. Although they are not involved in managing system, their ability to use them effectively is essential for process to run smoothly. Next part is about what is working in this system. Firstly, the iStudent system provides centralized access to course registration, academic records, and schedules, making it convenient for students. Secondly, it includes automated validation features that check for prerequisites, timetable clash, and credit hour limits, reducing registration errors. Next, the system is integrated with each student academic program, ensuring that only relevant and eligible courses are displayed. What can be improved in this system is, firstly, system performance and stability. The system often lags or crashes during peak hours, especially the first hour of registration. Other than that, real-time seat availability. Students sometimes try to register for courses that appear open but is already full. Lastly, limited support and guidance. During registration, students have no real-time help if they encounter issues. Sometimes it takes time for academic advisor to respond. Last part for internal audit is who is responsible and how many percent is involved to this system. Firstly, as we know, the Academic Affairs Division, HEA. They are the main coordinator of the overall registration process. HEA is also responsible for setting registration schedule, policies, and academic regulation. There are 10 to 20 people in HEA who are involved. Secondly, is academic advisor or lecturers. They assist students in choosing suitable course according to their study plan. Each group must have one academic advisor. And lastly is students. Students are responsible for registering for their own course during the given time frame. They must ensure they follow their program structure and credit hour limits. There are 10,000 students across all UiTM campus.
In today's hyper-connected world, organizations are under increasing pressure to embrace digital transformation to remain competitive and on the right track toward their goals. This is especially true in education, where students expect fast, efficient, and intelligent systems. A new business model based on digital transformations offers a structured framework for assessing and enhancing digital capabilities across key areas such as strategy, technology, operations, data, cultures, and user engagements. For UiTM, applying this model can elevate its academic services significantly. By embracing digital maturity in its e-course registration process, UiTM can go beyond offering just an online platforms. It can deliver a more intelligent, responsive, and effective experience for students and staff. Hence, here are the 4 suggestions for improvement or solutions that UiTM can implement in their e-course registration process. First is the auto waitlist system for full groups. This feature automatically places students on a waitlist if a group is full, notifies them on changes, and registers them once the slot opens, hence removing the need for manual checking. Second is automated email and in-X notification. This will alert students when registrations open, when groups are full, or when spaces become available, hence helping them to act quickly and stay informed.
The third improvement that can be implemented by UiTM is live group quota updates. This improvement will provide students with real-time information about available seats in each group without needing to refresh the page. This ensures that students won't waste time trying to select groups that are already full and can make faster and more accurate decisions during the registration process. The last suggestion for improvement is to establish a pre-queuing system. This improvement will allow students to pre-select their compulsory course groups a day or two before registration opens. When registration starts, the system will automatically enroll students in the order that they queued. This method reduces server overload and prevents system crashes during peak hours, which provides a fairer registration experience. Next, we will explore on the gap analysis relating to the course registration system at UiTM.
Currently, the iStudent portal UiTM stores important student data and links to systems like the e-academic system. However, course availability is not always updated in real time. This means students might register for classes that are already full. Students can access their academic record and register for courses on their own, but some, especially new students, struggle to find the right features. Also, communication with academic advisor is still done manually or through email and messages. The system is not hard to use, but there's no clear guide or help button, so mistakes can happen, especially during high-pressure time like registration week. The system should offer real-time data updates, send alerts when a class is full or rescheduled, and maybe even have an AI course suggestion. The iStudent portal should also include a chatbot, a help button, and a direct messaging feature to contact academic advisor. UiTM could also offer short digital training for new users to help them register correctly. To conclude, the iStudent portal does improve course registration by making it paperless, but there's still room for improvement in real-time updates and better support so the system can be more effective for all students.
The digital transformation in academic system has brought benefits to everyone in UiTM. Students now have the convenience of registering for courses online through platforms like UiTM Student Portal, eliminating the need to visit academic office in person. This flexibility allows them to manage their academic tasks anytime and anywhere using just a laptop or smartphone. Next, academic advisor and lecturer also benefits from improved workload management. They can easily track the number of students enrolled in each class or section, which can help to balance class sizes and avoid issues such as overcrowding or under-enrollment. Besides that, administrative and support staff doesn't need manual tasks such as creating course lists and preparing timetable because it is now automated. This significantly reduces the workload for administrative staff and minimizes error. Lastly, university management benefits through improved strategic planning. With access to data analytics, they can access course popularity, monitor student performance, and manage faculty responsibility more effectively.
However, there are still weaknesses in the system that need to be addressed. First is system overload or technical glitch. At peak time, the system often experiences high traffic which can lead to delay loading, storage spot time, or even completely crash. This not only disrupts student registration but can also affect their schedules significantly. Second is inflexibility of the system. Certain tasks like late registration, course appeal, or exemption requests still require manual handling. The lack of system integration adds inefficiency, as users often need to switch between different platforms or processes. The last weakness is inaccurate or outdated data. If data isn't updated in real time, students may not be able to register for the right courses or may accidentally make error. For instance, outdated profile can lead to incorrect course suggestion or delay in enrollment. In conclusion, digital transformation offers clear benefits across the academic community, enhancing convenience and efficiency. By continuously improving this system, university can ensure a more reliable, user-friendly, and effective digital environment for everyone involved. That's all from me. Thank you.